We're Accessible Arts and Media, and we provide accessible activities for disabled people and their families. York Mediale and ourselves got together to allow us to add to the digital element of the activities, which are really bringing something new and innovative to the young people that are coming. So today we're doing like a musical hack camp, and what the kids are doing first is they've made a simple electronic piano with a circuit board, and then we're going to move on to recording some of the music that they create with their own instrument. And they've absolutely embraced the task, and so have their supporters and parents. Really enjoyed the event. So it's really a good partnership between the Mediale, Accessible Arts and Explore York here in allowing the young people to try out something new and digital. We see kids working with all sorts of traditional instruments regularly, but when a child's created their own instrument, they just get so much more out of it.